Okay, everybody, so doing a live trade here. I am in at, let's see, 41.77. It's actually 41.67 on the ES June 17 contract. Now we're 41.68. So translate that into this, which is a few points off. This is a CFD, give or take. So, what am I looking for? All I'm looking for here is just kind of like a push down. This is choppy. This is the day before FOMC. I'm not expecting too much here. So, I want to point something out, which I saw, and then I just decided, okay, let me go ahead and take a short. It's 3:37 here, p.m. Market's closing soon. I just think we're getting weak here towards the end of the day. Some sellers may just be closing out. Okay, so we had that pop yesterday, the short squeeze, and we went with that. Okay, we did pretty good. Just been really choppy, up, down, pretty long wicks. Look at this, the size of this wick here. This is the 1 hour chart. So in negative divergence here, I personally think we come down back to this trend line, or at least right around here. Probably have another 10 points to go. I'm just going with it now, but you know, you gotta understand that we are. Let me just change this moving average a little bit. We are the day before FOMC. I mean, players are not getting, involved on a big level. I mean, you may have some short-term moves up and down, and that's typically what I'm looking to exploit right here. All right. So I'm just thinking we get a little bit of that down move, and that's that. Okay. So at any rate, I figured as I'm sitting here, I'll go ahead and use this account, this MT4 account. I could start using the interactive brokers. If a lot of you out there do like that a little bit better, it really doesn't matter to me. But this is just what a lot of people do use. Again, CFD trading is not an option in the United States. Okay, you need a separate futures account. So we're just using this. I know outside of the US a lot of people do use the CFD, as I say all the time. Okay, so where do we go from here? I'm going to keep this video short. We have a pattern that's a bit bearish here. Okay, a slanted head and shoulders pattern. I think coming to that 4160 right here is a very reasonable goal for this day trade here that we're doing in live action. Again, nothing completely set here. Just seeing where the market takes us. But let me just draw this here and kind of give some of you out there who may not be familiar with the pattern. Technically, this here would be it, but I'm even saying a little bit before, right where my cursor is. That to me is a very safe area if you just wanted to grab and go. Just some thoughts. All right. Give it a check. We are down to 41.59, 41.58.75 on the ES June contract. That would be the E-mini contract. 59, 69, 79. Not quite 20 points. I'm up about 17. And I'm just thinking maybe I should just call it a day based on the super choppy price action that we've been seeing today. Which again, I mean, day before FOMC. This is just it's there. It's going to be that way. If not, don't trade. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that that's the way it is. You know, I think we have a very good chance of getting down here. Let's go to the upper time frame, my friends, okay? This here 4-hour chart, I mean, we're getting so close to a few other levels that kind of concern me for maybe a little bounce, regardless of what this pattern is telling us. 41.58.75. I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. I am out with a good profit. Okay, that doesn't mean that all of a sudden this is going to drop down there, and if it does, great. If it doesn't, I don't care. But the name of the game is you know, not only survival but winning. Okay, some people say you can't go broke taking profits, and I got to tell you, that's a very amateur statement. All right. I mean, okay, is it true? Yeah, you're not going to go broke taking profits, but you're not going to let those profits move to the next level if you don't adhere to certain winning strategies. All right, that's it. Live trade on the SPX500 CFD here. ES futures, June 17th, if you're following the ES futures. If you people are still trading, technically a nice stop would be sufficient to let this thing run. That wouldn't be ignorant, because to me it's just looking more bearish as we get closer to 4 p.m. close. So I got out, yes, and I had said I was thinking around this area. Okay, I've been trading since early this morning, 7:30 a.m. It's, you know, at some point you're just like, I need a break. Alrighty, I want to wish everybody a wonderful trading day, and we did good today. Okay, it's time to do the things that trading allows us, which is create our own life, our own activities. And that's what we're going to go do. I'm going to go do some things with the family. All right, I'm going to stop recording here. Take care. Bye.